order for shapes to be congruent, they have to have the same size and same shape. There are 3 rigid motions that keep these shapes congruent after they've been transformed, and it's reflections, translations, and rotations. Make sure you pause the video and copy this down. There are 3 ways to do a proof. You can do flowchart, 2-column, and paragraph. Paragraph is usually found only in college level courses. Flowchart is seen in our textbook but not always used in class. We're going to take a look at 2-column proofs. So the way that I teach 2-column proofs is kind of like being a math lawyer in a courtroom. You will be given a case, and your case handed to you came with some evidence that was given to you. Sometimes it's facts and sometimes it's pictures. Your pictures sometimes will have facts already marked on them. After you get your case started by giving the facts, you need to see if there's any other conclusions that you can draw from the pictures or the facts that you know. You're going to watch out for vocab words like midpoint, angle bisector, perpendicular, words like that you know you need to add some more markings to your picture. You're always going to end your case with your proof statement. That means you've got enough evidence collected to prove it. Let's take a look at an example. Take the time to draw the picture and write down these statements. Now this 2-column proof has already been started for you. We have a proof statement up at the top, and this case has been given to us with a picture with markings already provided. Those markings already provided would need to be put into the proof, and they're already listed. The reason you can use it as a proof is that they were given to you. Now angle 1 being congruent to angle 2 is something you have to know as a good math lawyer. What's the reason we can say angle 1 is congruent to angle 2? Vertical angles are congruent. Now I would mark this picture. In this video I don't have it so that it marks that angle. You would need to, on your picture, mark it. Now you've got enough information in your evidence to conclude your case and prove that the 2 triangles are congruent. How could you prove them congruent? That's side angle side. Take the time to set this proof up. Pause the video, draw the picture, and copy everything down. In this one, we're going to look at what they gave us. This case has some given facts. Now this is written in math language, so you need to be able to decipher what all of this means. So you're going to start your case with one of the things that were given to you. Now BD being congruent to BC needs to be marked in the picture. So see, this one is showing you what I would expect you to do on your picture on your notebook. So go ahead and do that now. Alright, the math lingo for those 2 bars straight up and down means that it's parallel. So we would mark this given with arrows on the picture. Now we're all out of givens. So as a good math detective, math lawyer, you've got to be able to figure out what other things can I pull from the evidence that was given to me. Now we already see up here in statement 3 is angle D is congruent to angle C. How do we know that is true? Well, since we've got parallel lines, we know that those are alternate interior angles. Next, we've got angle ABD, which is here in the middle, and angle EBC, which is also here in the middle. How do I know I can mark those congruent? Vertical angles, so we would mark that. Now we have enough evidence from the case to close the case and prove it. We're able to prove the triangles are congruent by angle side angle. CPCTC can be used in a proof if they want you to prove something beyond being 2 triangles that are congruent. In this example, they want us to go beyond proving 2 triangles congruent, but 2 other segments. So we start off with the givens. We mark them on our picture. Once you're out of givens, you've got to figure out from your evidence something else that you can conclude. On this one, we know that it says PM is congruent to PM. That's called the reflexive property. Now you can decide that these 2 are congruent by one of our 5 ways, which is by side angle side. Now that you've got the 2 triangles are congruent, any 6 of their matching corresponding parts are also congruent, which is the CPCTC.